Hey guys, welcome to Jun's Mini Garage. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how I create realistic looking carpet for my scale model cars. Let's get started. For the carpet material, I use embossing powder, but you can also use flocking powder and the result will be similar. I will also use a tea strainer to control the amount of powder I apply on the interior. I'll be using Elmer's clear glue for the bonding agent because it dries clear, but you can also use Tamiya's clear acrylic paint or white wood glue. I usually just apply the clear glue directly onto the surface I am making the carpet for. I would recommend doing this one section at a time so you won't have glue drying before you can get to that area. After the glue has been applied, I pour the powder through the tea strainer and evenly spread them out to cover the area. It's important to put a piece of paper under the project so you can save the overspill and reuse those powder later. I like to gently press on the surface with my fingers so the powder can stick better, but just be careful not to press it so hard or you will rub it off. After that, I lightly tap on the back of the tub, then clean off the excessive powder with a brush. Then I collect the extra powder and repeat the same process for the rest of the interior. That's it. I hope this tutorial helps. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below and feel free to subscribe if you haven't. You can also check out my other tutorials on my channel as well.